This is a subject many owners never think about. How clean is my engine? Well, probably for good reason. It just sits there under the hood, working away and providing motive power. Sort of the unsung hero of the car. Well, it turns out that it gets dirty too, just like the outside of your car does. You wash the outside of your car, why not your engine? In reality, it's probably more important to keep the engine clean than the outside of your car. You see, under that hood, it gets real hot. In northern climates, it gets nasty salt spray and moisture. Down south, underhood temperatures reach unbearable temperatures. Because of all the fluids under the hood, residue and leaks gather on engine surfaces. Since most of these are petroleum-based products, they do not dissipate but rather linger around to collect dirt and grime. This blankets the engine with a nice heavy insulator to keep the heat inside. This blanket of stuff also does not allow a visual inspection to showcase leaks while they are just forming. All this leads to bad stuff for the owner. Washing the engine bay can solve a lot of these issues. It does need to be done in a careful manner with the correct products. Start with a good aerosol engine washing, or sometimes called engine shampoo product. Follow the directions very carefully. Most will have you spray it on and warm the engine up to operating temperature. Then, if there are areas of very thick grime, a parts cleaning brush with some of the product on it works great. Then it's time to rinse. Hot water and a spray nozzle tend to yield the best results. Do not spray electrical components directly. It's wise to cover the alternator, distributor, and air cleaner if a high-performance open filter is present. Once your rinse is complete, warming the engine back up to dry off components is recommended. For a very dressy look, use one of the engine shine products to complete the look. Thanks for watching.